kang anak kinahinapunan, kag napapukal pa, kag napapukal pa sa mga kaabyanan.
Blessed are you, Lord God of all creation, for your goodness. We have received the wine we offer you. Fruit of the wine, Lord, we will enhance and become our spiritual drink. Pray, brethren, that my sacrifice and yours may be acceptable to God, Almighty Father. And the Lord has sacrificed to you. Exultant with Paschal gladness, O Lord, we offer the sacrifice by which your church is wondrously reborn and glorious through Christ our Lord. Amen. The Lord be with you. Lift up your hearts. Let's give thanks to the Lord our God. It is truly right and just our duty in our salvation at all times to acclaim you, Lord, but on this day, above all, to praise you yet more gloriously when Christ our Passover has been sacrificed. He is the true Lamb who takes away the sins of the world. By dying, he has destroyed our death. By rising, restored our life. Therefore, our God.
Like never before, oh my soul, I worship your holy.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
kilala ko. If I can't get you out of my dreams, now I know that you're the dangerous kind, and your smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. I don't wanna ride, I don't wanna call, I wouldn't know what to say. It should be you, it's how I want it to be. Tell me you feel the same way, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're the dangerous kind, and your smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Oh, trying to be brave, and no melody can seem to suit my mind. I wanna curse you for being so sweet and so kind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're the dangerous kind, and your face is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind, you're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind, you're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind, you're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind, you're tattooed.
Perfect. Next we have Areño, Balistante. Ako naman. For all of us, Areño, Balistante family. Areño, Balistante. Hep hep. Hep hep. Ako ko lang yung mga banda. What? Hep hep. Hep hep. Hep hep. Yes. Okay, let's welcome again the Areño, Balistante family. The siblings are complete. Areño, Balistante. Hep hep. Next we have the whole family. Areño, Balistante. Very good. We have my mother, my beautiful mother, at the floor, Mina, and of course, Mina. What's her name? Miss Albert. Okay. While we wait for Areño to be on stage, let us call on Areño Peñado fresh from Manila, Philippines. Okay, let's call Areño Peñado family. Perfect. Next is Areño Fabian from Zamboanga. Okay, so Areño Fabian are coming. So we have raise your flag. Raise your okay. Raise your banner. Okay, take some pictures, Anay. We'll sing. Fabian, ang iba daw.
the words I love you. once again a song from Frank Sinatra. And this time, I'm gonna give you a track from Elvis Presley. Yan, sa mga tatay dira. I know you know this song.
Susang anak kinahinapunan kag napap